Hi, have a nice day. Now I'm going to talking about some formulated design sheets, or it's similar or better than like a software in the design studios. We don't have enough time to format the calculation sheets, putting the equations, formulas, the procedures, steps, and all these things. So, in order to save those time and to give a quick output and like appropriate output to the customers or client, I have developed some ready-made simulation sheets and put all the things in a sheet called electrical calculation sheets for the buildings. Say now our client or the sponsor is coming and asking, hey mister, you have, that means I have an industrial place or brownfield area. I would like to have a back of office or something. So you have only the ground area or some built up areas, like some assumptions. So based on that, if you want to give a very high level estimates, high level loads, high level calculations, or in the concept stage, you can use these sheets from the initial process onwards. I will brief you in quickly that how we have to use this. This is the home page of the formulated calculation sheets. Let me tell you how to use this software or the calculated sheets or the ready-made sheets, which you can smartly save your time and perform your calculation. No need to spend more time for creating the format, finding the calculation, finding the formulas, equations, steps, procedures, or anything. Okay, how to use this software? There are several tabs. Like these tabs, if you click these tabs, it will take you to, that means these tabs are linked to the formatted sheets. Like if you want to do the earthing calculation, you can simply click earthing calculation, so that you will get the earthing calculation, the entire format, which is ready-made. And how to use these ready-made sheets? There is that means the instruction. If you have something, it's very simple actually. If you go to the data sheets, the instruction is only one instruction: enter or choose, drop down your inputs in the white cells. This is the only rule in this software. The rest all is ready-madely made it for your easiness. And this sheet, where it will clearly tells us all the formulas applied for every formulated calculation sheets. Like earthing, what is the formula applied? Lightning protection, what is the formula applied? And what are the protection levels? Then for the cables, see, this is the voltage drop calculation format. Here, that means in every formats you can find like green color cells inside the format and the white color cells. The green color cells where the equations or formulas are applied, and you don't have any rights to edit this one, because these all are formulas which is applied. And in the white color cells, say for example length, the length is in your hand, but the cable sizes, example, the cable sizes, the standard cable sizes are already found in the down arrows. Likewise, whichever the white cells is having down arrows, you have options to select. Therefore these all are limited, and these sheets will not allow you to enter a wrong values. Say for example, after 4 it is 6. If you are entering 5, this will not accept it. You will get an warning message, and you will get, see, all the formulas will be wrong. Like see if you can see these all are like the results is telling, like everything is telling that check, it's not acceptable. So in the white cells, whichever having the down arrows, you have the options of selecting the correct sizes. And if you are underestimate with your size or something, you will get a warning, like everywhere you will get in the green colors, you will get the warning like it is check. But if it is okay, that means if you choose for the correct rating, you will get the voltage drop is okay. But again, the MCCB rating is telling that check the MCCB rating. Now we can check the MCCB rating to go for like 125. This is also, it's okay. Similarly, you can go for the healthcare projects where HTM was applied, and if you want to see the values, the standards from the HTMs, this is the HTM 6.1 chapter 3 table. These are the values taken from this one, HTM. And you can do the conduit sizes where you can choose the type of cable, then the cable details, like, and what will be the factors, and you will get the results from here. Whether if it is check, means you can go back and check to the things. And the trunking format is available, tray is available, voltage drop calculations, then the busbar calculations, lighting calculation, fault current calculations, capacitor bank, earthing, diesel generator. You can also get the fuel consumption, a liter per hour, how much will be the things. These also, all the calculation. If you have doubt about the calculation, you can just go and it will bring you to the diesel generator formulas and the conversions used here. Then you have the lightning protection. Lightning protection, it was giving the global thunderstorm ranges, so that you can choose the values from here, which is also ready-madely available here, so that you can get the level of protection in this green. Then you have the solar calculation and the irradiance values globally, so that you can choose the appropriate values to put in your inputs. Like these values are already available in the drop down arrows. Based on the region, you can choose what is the irradiance. And there are quick calculations also available for the voltage drop and area based calculation. Say for example, your project is industrial project, and if it is required private cooling, and the area you can select, say that 1,50,000. So that this will be your total kVA, and the voltage drop also you can get it, like you can enter the load 50 ampere and length is 75, and you are going to choose the XLPE, and the cable size is say 35, and your voltage drop in percentage is 1.3. subject to your voltage is 400, and 450 means it will be 0.599. Then you have the quick conversion sheets also, like chiller units, air handling units, power, energy, area, pressure, heat flux. I hope you all got an idea how to use the Excel sheets or the ready-made sheets or a supportive sheets. And if you have any questions or doubts or clarification requirements, I'm glad to hear from you. I will be available. That means you can reach me at there is in my calculation sheet there is an email ID called v.prathi@yahoo.com. That's all. Thank you. We'll see.